Hey everybody, welcome to On Point Reviews, and I have had this HealthMate Plus for 7 years. They say to replace the filter every 5 years, and well, it's 7 years. It's fine because I did notice that the air was being filtered because I could smell still the difference, and I didn't use it quite that much, so I felt like that the filter was still good, and I was maintaining it, I was vacuuming the sides like they say. So anyway, let me get into it. This video is on replacing it, and I want to show you what the filter looks like after 7 years. So here we go. So you just need a Phillips screwdriver and just take out the 4 screws on either side of it, and this will just come right out and you'll have access to it. Here's the box for the new filter. So I'll unscrew this as quick as possible. Don't lose the little washer that they have here. Put that aside on my table there. Alright. This is a fun part. You get to see me headless right now. I'll unscrew this. Alright, well, the good thing about it is that it's once every 5 years. I bought the filter for $360. And I won't have to think about it for at least that amount of time. Maybe more. I probably can even go 6 years, maybe even 7 like before. So just kind of pull on it with the wheels here. Maybe on each outer side of the corner there. Just like that. Requires a little bit of effort. So at this point, I will just pull this out here. I'm going to stand up and do this. Okay. Wait a second. There we go. I was thinking, wait, is there another screw? And now to get an idea, is that the shipping weight on this thing is 24 pounds. So I think the majority of the weight, or maybe half the weight, is on the filter itself. So here it is. Let me just get like a close-up. I can even go behind it and have you guys take a look here. You can see the inside of this, the motor, and on my other video, the review I did of the 7 years, is that the medium setting doesn't work right now. I can see if I can fix this before I completely assemble it, but let me just take a look at the old filter here. Here it is. Still doesn't look too bad, but I know that it's time because the air doesn't smell as clean as before. So you don't go off the looks for the HEPA filter, and they have strict regulations with it. So that's it right there, and they make it quite simple as far as putting it on. It'll tell you right here, top side motor. So I'm gonna stick it in there, flip it around, stick it in there. So anyway, let me put this back up and I'll show you. It's just really simple. Of course, just like anything on YouTube, it's good to have it on there. Just to do your research before you dive into it and do something wrong. Okay. Throw in there. I hope everybody's doing well right now with the coronavirus. They say that this filter here, part of the strict regulation that they have with the HEPA regulation. Okay, I'm getting caught up with this bag here. Let me just pull this out. All right. So the strict regulation is that everything labeled with HEPA is going to be able to filter as far as viruses go. It's going to be 95%, which right now an N95 mask, facial mask, is still the best, and it filters out 95% of viruses. So it's not 100%, but then if you have this in your room running at full speed, it's going to be 95%. You're going to achieve that. So what you're going to do is take this off here. Okay. So keep in mind that it's good that they have given a new one. because just take a look at this. This used to be black. Alright? So it must be like the first stage of filtration. Alright. And keep in mind, they don't tell you to vacuum, take this out and vacuum it to clean it. There's my face. They will tell you to vacuum from the side here, the outside. Alright, so you shouldn't try to bypass it and extend the life of your filter by trying to maintain it or wash it or whatever. So put this new one in and then you'll be set. It's gonna, it doesn't tell you, there's no sticker to say what side is what. So whatever way you put it is fine. Okay? Just put that right in there. Hope I haven't lost all of you yet. The attention span of people nowadays is not the greatest, including me. Alright. So that's good. We'll make sure I grab my new one. Topside motor. And in case you guys, anybody was wondering, the max wattage for high speed is going to be 147 watts. Okay, we're gonna throw that in there. All right, let's see if I can manage here without like it gripping onto this here. Okay, that's good. So got it in there. Everything seems to be intact and okay. All right, very good. And that's it. So you're just gonna screw that in there, and you got it. Just like that, you're set. So just make sure when you're replacing this that you verify what kind of filter that you're getting, so it's not like you have to return it and stuff. Anyway, I hope this was helpful. Like and subscribe. After doing all that, you can see my hands, okay? Your hands are going to get a little black. It's fine. Nothing that washing your hands won't fix. So that's good practice anyway to wash your hands. All right. See you guys later. Hope you have a wonderful day. And holidays coming up. Obviously, you're going to be watching this video some other time too. Anyway, see ya.